Hello everyone, how are you doing? Hope all of you are doing well. This is Mamta from Middle Wing GGPS. I am here to discuss some of the chapters from your GK book, which are chapter 12 to chapter 15. Chapter number 12 is Invention Race. Here we will compare two of the inventions and we will see which came first. 13 number chapter is Indian Industries. There we will learn some of the towns or the cities which are famous for particular industry. Then 14 number chapter is Old Paper Made New. Here we will be learning about the recycling process, and then 15th chapter is Art Form, where we will be learning about some of the art forms. Now chapter 12, Invention Race. Invention means something created or made up for the first time. Okay. So what we will do is, see here chapter 12 you can see in front of you. Question number 1 is Gmail and internet. Out of these two, who came first or which came first? It is internet which came first. Second one is dishwasher and microwave oven. Out of these two, which came first? It is dishwasher. Number 3, hot air balloon and airplane. Out of these two, hot air balloon came first. Number 4 is paper clip and stapler. So out of paper clip and stapler, who came first? Yeah, it is stapler. Now number 5th is jeans and zipper. Out of jeans and zipper, jeans came first. That means invention of jeans was the prior one. Then out of computer, that is question number 6, out of computer and typewriter, who came first? It is typewriter which came first. That means invention of typewriter was the previous one than the computer. So here we have seen that out of these pairs, which came first. Now we will move to the 13th chapter, which is Indian Industry. So what we see that there are different industries in India, and the major ones in Indian economy are iron and steel, textile, jute, sugar, cement, paper, petrochemical, automobiles, information technology, and banking and insurance. So these are some of the famous Indian industries. Now see in chapter 13, there is matching the pair. Questions are there where we will have to match the town with the industry. So here first town is Darjeeling, and Darjeeling is famous for its tea. Okay. Second town is Ahmedabad, Gujarat, which is famous for cotton textile. Third one is Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. Bhilai, Chhattisgarh is famous for its steel plant. Then number 4 is Firozabad, situated in UP, and it is famous for glass bangle. Number 5, Agra is famous for leather. Then number 6, Chittaranjan, West Bengal is famous for its locomotive. That means automobiles. Then number 7, Kandla, Gujarat. So Kandla, Gujarat is famous for port. Number 8, Kolar, Karnataka. Kolar, Karnataka is famous for its gold mine. Then number 9, it is Khetri, Rajasthan. Khetri, Rajasthan is famous for copper mine. And the last one is Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam is famous for shipbuilding. So these are the famous towns which are famous for some of the particular industry. Now we will move to the chapter 14, which is old paper made new. Paper waste or old paper is turned into new paper product. This is what called as recycling of papers. This recycling of papers is very important for all of us. Why? Because it has also reduces the deforestation problem. Okay? So see, the whole process of recycling of paper is there in front of you in the book. First step in recycling is papers or the paper waste will from the garbage bins is deposited in large recycling containers. Okay, from there it will move to the plant where the paper is taken to the recycling plant where it is separated into different types of grades. Okay, after that the third step is the separated papers is then washed with soapy water to remove the ink, plastic film, staple and glue from there. Then the paper will be put into a large holder where it is mixed with water to create slurry. Then fourth step is by adding different materials to the slurry, different paper materials or products can be created such as cardboard, newsprints for office use. Okay. Then fifth step is this slurry is spread into large thin paper sheet and the paper is left to dry and then it is rolled to be ready to cut and sent back to the shop. So this is the whole process for the recycling of paper, and there has been decline in global deforestation thanks to increased use of recycled paper. Now there are some of the questions given. Question number 1 is the slurry is a mixture of paper and option A is milk, B water, C sand. So option number B is the correct answer because slurry is the mixture of paper with water. Then number 2 question is where is paper separated into types and grades? Option number A is recycling plant, B recycling containers and C soaps. So here we can see that recycling plant is the place where we separate papers into different grades. So option number A, recycling plant. Then question number 3 is which of the following is a paper product? Option number A is cardboard, B plastic, C glass. So here option number A, that is cardboard, is a paper product. Now chapter 15, which is art forms. Here we will see the different art forms and what they are. Now see, number 1 is it is the art of paper folding in which a square sheets of paper will be transformed into a sort of sculpture or shape. So this type of art is called as origami. Number 2 is this is a large picture printed directly on a wall or the ceiling of a building, many different type of styles and techniques are used to create an artwork. So what is it? It is mural. Number 3 is, this art form is expressed as drawings or writings that have been scribbled, scratched, or painted on a wall, etc., in a public place. What is it? It is graffiti. Number 4. This is basically a surface decoration in the form of a picture or design made up of small pieces of colored tiles, glass, or other materials set in concrete or plaster. This is mosaic. Number 5 is, it is the art of creating beautiful handwriting, usually for decorative purpose. The main tools used are pen and the brush. This is calligraphy. And the last one is, in this art form, sand is molded into an artistic form like a sand painting or sand sculpture. The basic ingredients for this art form are sand and water. This is sand art. Okay? So this was our content from chapter 12 to chapter 15. Thank you everyone.